To wire our stepper motor, we need 4 things. So you need your Arduino, your driver board for our stepper motor itself, and then 6 wires. So the first thing I'm going to do is connect my stepper motor to my driver. So there it is slotted here, so make sure it goes in the right way. It's just going to go in this part of the driver. And the motor is officially done. We can get that out of here. Now on the driver, there's some pins here. So they say in 1 all the way to in 4. And on the other side, we have this 5 volt to 12 volts, and one part has a little minus, and that's going to be my ground. So I'm going to wire the power first. So I'm assuming that you have a breadboard here and that you can connect power from it. So we're going to go from our negative, from our ground, to our negative in our breadboard, and I'm going to go from my 5 volts over here into my 5 volts on my board. So I'm going to use my 2 ends, plug those in. Then I'm going to take them and just plug them right into that breadboard. Next, we have these 4 in pins that we have to do. This is what the Arduino actually uses to control the motor. So I'm going to take my 4 pins and make sure they are in the same order. It'll be easier on the other end. And I guess I got 5 there. And we can pin all of those in at once. All right, so that step's done. Now we're going to use any of these PWM pins here. So I can use anything from 2 to 13. So I'll go and put those in there. And I'm going to use 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I am done at that point. Now be careful. Your Arduino can only actually run 1 stepper motor. So when you go to put your second one in, call me over and I'll show you how to make it so we can provide enough power.